G'day, this is Oz ADV Rider. Today I'm going to be taking a look at my left hand pivot peg. It is sitting at a weird angle. I just noticed it the other day and something's not right with it. It's not pivoting like it should. Yeah, I don't know what's going on there. We'll take it apart and have a look. This is the right hand side peg and it's working as it should. It's spring loaded, it's got nice firm spring tension and it springs back to that central position. If you're not familiar with pivot pegs, the idea is it keeps more contact between the peg and your foot as you're leaning backwards and forwards. Pivots with your foot. Some people don't like them, I love them. Yeah, I just went through all my bits and pieces and found the service kit for these pegs. That's got new springs, nuts, O-rings, everything you need to service them, so that's going to come in very handy, I think. So I'll take a 17mm open-end spanner, undo the nut. I've had these pegs on the bike for at least 4 years. They've been through all sorts. This is a 200kg adventure bike. It has been dropped in rocks, dragged around. I've had both pegs scraping through ruts. Yeah, they've put up with a lot over the years and they've lasted really well. I'm expecting maybe a broken spring, or maybe it's just come out of like a retainer or something. I'm not sure. We shall find out. These are the Mark III. I think Mark IV come out not long after I bought them. Mark IV are wider again. So it's got nut and washer. And there'll be a couple of little O-rings on it. I can see an O-ring that side, I can't that side. Now, what's going on here? Yeah, I got a feeling it's just come loose and out of position. Yes, apparently I'm supposed to be greasing the pegs every 90 hours of use for dual sport road trail use. I have not pulled them apart and greased them since I first put them on. It was 4 or 5 years ago. So yeah, a little bit slack on my part. So actually there's nothing wrong with the old spring. I'm just going to use it again. I think all's happened is a lack of maintenance. And yeah, all the grease is washed out of it and it might have came loose a bit. Rightio, new O-ring. It says place the O-ring over the shaft. So that's saying apply grease to the shaft. We can do that. Okay, so spring goes on next. That locating pin has to go between the tongs on the spring. There we go. That's that. Okay, so next is the peg itself. I reckon that'll be right. I think it might be easier getting that on there now. Look at that. I reckon that's how it goes, and that other pin has to go in the middle. Got 2 O-rings. I don't remember there being 2 before, but there we go. Washer. That looks better. I think the nuts just come loose. Springs popped out. That's it. Yeah, I'll go and grease up the other side. These pegs will be good for another 4 years. Thanks a lot for watching. I'll see you next time.